Light theme in the Gmail app. Hey guys, all good? Leonardo Paiva, back with another video. And in this video, I show you the step-by-step for you to set your Gmail app to light theme. Do you like videos like this? Here on the channel, there are already other related videos. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like. I'm always making videos to help you guys. So come on guys, I'm going to open up here the Gmail app. So I'm going to click here on Google to show up all the apps that I have from Google, and I'm going to click on the Gmail option. In Gmail, you're going to click up here, guys, on these three dashes. Now you're going to click on General Settings. In General Settings, you will click on the first theme option. And you can choose light theme or dark theme. So you can change it whenever you want. Do you have any questions? Put it down below in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'm leaving it at that. Big hug. Stay with God. Thanks, guys.